Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in our previous video we saw what is a lathe machine and its specification. Now we'll see what are the different types of lathe machine. Lathe machine itself is being classified into different types. The work is to do shaping as well as cutting operation on the job, which is your object, but it can be done on different kinds of lathe machine according to its specification and according to its advancement. So the first type of lathe machine is your engine lathe, which is your normal lathe machine on which there is a headstock, there is a tailstock, there is a chuck. Object to be machined is in the chuck and machining can be done. The second type of lathe machine is your bench lathe machine. They are generally used for making small objects so that small machining can be easily done. So the basic difference between engine and a bench lathe is the size of the object. The next type of lathe machine are speed lathe machine and tool room lathe. So in speed lathe machine, as the name is speed, high speed cutting can be obtained. So this is mainly used for getting high finished products. So in speed lathe, speed is a matter of concern. Then in tool room lathe, accuracy is a matter of concern. Like accurate products can be made. So this is the basic difference between speed as well as tool room lathe machine. Next are special lathe machine, which include gap, facing and different other types of lathe machine. Another type of lathe machine is automatic lathe machine. So in this lathe machine, the object, which is your workpiece, is been fed automatically in your chuck. So this is the beauty of automatic lathe machine. So now I'll talk about turret as well as capstone lathe machine. So in turret lathe machine, it is different from another lathe machines, which is the tailstock do not contain one tool of tailstock, but it has different tools which is mounted on a hexagonal object which is known as your turret. So in this way, different kind of drilling operation can be easily done on your workpiece by different tool changing mechanism in a turret, and object can be made. And in capstone, what happens is, unlike turret, it is not being kept stationary. It can be easily moved on the auxiliary sides of your workpiece, so it can also change or it can also cut small sides in the workpiece. So this is the beauty of capstone and a turret lathe. You don't have to change it again and again. What? Tools. You don't have to change the tools. It is just mounted on the tailstock and it can move in the straight direction as well as in the auxiliary directions. So in this diagram, you can see general cutting in a lathe machine. You can just see there can be some depth. There can be some cutting speed given to your headstock, which is connected to your chuck, which is again connected to your workpiece. So in this way, parting or any other operation can be done on the workpiece by using a lathe machine. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel Ekeeda.